Hello, hi everyone. My name is Sunil Yadav. I'm going to talk about how you can, do the Docker setup. Okay. So if you go to official website page, docker.com, right? Let me delete this one. So we can say, right, here is coming like developers, one of the, tab. So if you click, docs, right? So we can say here if you want to getting started, basics, guides, reference, right? So all the details here. So we in last previous session, right, we covered what is Docker and what is containerization platform, right? How we can go with it. So but first we need to install, right, to learn all those steps. To if it is installed, right, we have CLI, right, and we can do all those things, whatever Docker is doing it, local system. Okay. So the first thing is we need to install. So how you can install it? If you go here, right, so depend upon your operating system, you can install it. Like if you are using Windows, you can go here in section and just try to follow the instruction. It is very easy, you can install it. And if you are using Mac, like Intel architecture, you can go with it. And suppose if you are using M1, so I have already created the video. I will give the reference, and you can install through the M1. So let's go, for example, if you want to install through the the Mac, right? So generally we are saying, because this is taking like lot of resources to run basically, so make sure you have no enough RAM, right? At least 4 GB RAM we need, right? Or hard disk, right? So those things please ensure you have, otherwise it's not going to run smoothly. And so these are instructions, right, how you can do in Mac. Okay, once you download the image, so this one, so once you download, then it's going to install a Docker desktop. So if you see, right, I already installed and it's running for me, right, and Docker desktop is running perfectly fine, right? So similar way, if you are installing, you will see here, right, and those Docker desktop is going to run, and you will say automatic update is going to happen. If you want to uninstall, then those steps are already here, right? And once it's done, right, so if you are going to getting started page, so here instructions, then go to preferences, right, and general in start Docker, you can start from here. Apply and start, right? Resources, we can manage, right, how many CPU you wanted to allocate with this one. And uh, how we can those things is really good. So those details is already here, right? And you can refer this page, and all the instruction is here. And if you are say facing any problem, please let me know. And once install, you can check the Docker version, and all the details is how it's running. And this is Kubernetes command I will cover after the Docker, right? So if you say enable the Kubernetes, then is Kubernetes is also going to support for you. So those details I will cover in coming sessions. So I'm in this Docker setup I explain, and hopefully in the next session I will going to say install like in a moment those videos, that video I'm going to point it out. And once this is done, then next we will try to getting started with Docker. So thank you for your time. Hope you like this session. Please subscribe my channel and share your feedback. Thank you.